There are about 100,000 patients on the deceased donor list. Living donation helps decrease this severe gap so that more recipients can be transplanted. So we have 3 recipients and 3 living donors. We have to make sure all those 6 people are healthy, ready to do the surgery. The surgeries need to happen the same day. Everything has to come together at the right time. Our internal chain goes like this. Roxanne, our altruistic donor, donated to Reginald. Reginald's wife donated to Gerald, and Gerald's wife donated to Elam. Today, I'm donating my kidney. I am very excited for everything. I just want to know that everything went well and that my kidney is doing well in someone else. I can't wait for them to be able to live life and have fun and do the things that they want to do as well.
You gotta get up and walk around, and then just every once in a while, just try to let a toot out. And that is completely normal. We want to celebrate that.
Having a kidney transplant, I think at age 25, I was diagnosed with kidney disease. It gave me 23 years, and now it's time for another one.
And we are blessed to be able to be part of this chain where we found out the other day that 3 people are receiving a kidney, 3 people are donating.
It's probably the most selfless act that someone can do.
I've got ANG 1542. Let's typo. Thank you.
All right.
I was diagnosed with FSGS when I was 26. I'm 38 now. I just needed a kidney. I don't ask for help. I think it's an incredible sacrifice to donate a kidney, so I'll just wait.
Hey, babe. My sister's here. You want to say hi to her?
Jeannie,
Yeah.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, once they wheel you back, and then they'll walk me where I need to go to do my, my prep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usually, with the PD catheter, about 2.5 hours for my part, and then add an extra hour for anesthesia's part.
He was on dialysis for about a year, and then when we got the call a month ago, I called him, and he's like, "I'm not ready," and I was like, "You better get ready."
All right, things are getting ready. I see this is family.
Yes.
Who do we have?
My 2 sisters and my mom.
Okay, nice to meet you, Dr.
Nice
Gooden.
to meet you.
So the first phone call you guys will get is the one that says that we've started, okay?
It's so easy for me to feel paranoid, about like my husband's in good hands or not. But meeting everybody, I'm like, oh yeah, this is where we need to be.
5 years since I got diagnosed. I've been on dialysis for about 3 years. When they called my wife that there was a potential donor, we got super excited.
We're almost ready to go. Any final questions that you might have?
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. It's nothing. It really is nothing.
Thank you.
Well, I want to thank you for your donation.
It's a win-win. I get better, you get better.
I'm grateful that I was healthy enough to donate, that you had the heart to donate, you had the heart and the health to donate, and so that these gentlemen could live their lives.
I was just expecting one recipient, not a whole chain, and that's when I was just baffled, like, wow, okay, I didn't expect this amazing of a thing to happen.
Yeah, we signed up a pair, and then they were like, oh no, there's 6 of y'all. And I'm like, wait a
What?
minute, there's all these people?
Oh, thank you. Oh, because we're a domino chain. We're gonna camp and slap some dominoes. Maybe we can get together for a domino game.
It was just emotions that we can't really express. How happy we are with everybody. Thank you.